I'm going to go in for I teach you English, sounds and names of letters, combination sounds, numbers, and colours too. Apple. Apple. Baby. Baby. Cat. Cat. But k in the middle of a word is no longer k, but s, like an S in the above word. Braces. S in braces. A bit like S in sun. So, S like an S in braces. Dog. Dog. Egg. Egg. Fish. Fish. Gates. Gates. Hat. Hat. Ink. Ink. Jug. Jug. Keys. Keys. Leaf. Leaf. Mouse. A computer mouse and an ordinary mouse. Mouse. Nose. Nose. Orange. 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 Pin. Pin. Queen. In English, we never have the qua on its own. We always put an next to it, but it pronounces qua. queen, queen. Qua sounds like kween. But of course we write it like that. Queen, queen. Sounds like queen. Rabbit, rabbit. Sun, sun. Tree, tree. Umbrella, umbrella. Violin, violin. Wheel, wheel. Xylophone, xylophone. In a word like box has the sound of x. So that's box. Might be written like that. Box. There's a box. But that's how we write it. Box. So we have this letter here, which is pronounced z on this word and x when it's on the end or the middle of a word. Box. Yellow. Yellow. Another strange word. If you put this y at the end of the word, it becomes e. So this word is jelly. In lots of English words you'll find e at the end, like this. Jelly. Zebra. Zebra. Now, we've seen all small letters, now we'll see some capital letters. The name of this is A. Sometimes in words, it says its name. If there's an E one letter away, then that will be its name, and so that word is grapes. Grapes. There are some grapes. Name A. Sound A in some words. So grapes. B. There's no change in the sound that it makes. B as in baby. Small b. Baby. Capital B. Small b. B. No change. The name of this letter is C. The name is C, but the sound is K. Cat. K. Cat. D, dog, dog. No change between capital D and small d. E. If I put that E in a word like knee, knee, then they're saying the name of that. So there's a knee. That's a capital E. I can put an E, a capital E, at the front of a word like elephant. So it's no longer saying E, it's saying eh. But there it is, elephant, elephant. Not much change between that sound and that sound. Well, there's no sound difference. Capital F. F for fish, capital. F for fish, small. No change between that one and that one. Same sound. G. Gate. Gate. No change between capital G and small g. Hat. This is H. Capital H. Sound hat. Sound of a small h. Hat. No change. Capital I. In a word, the capital I would make the sound of I. So in this word here, bike, that E on the end makes that say its name, not its sound. So its name is I. This word is bike. Bike. J. Capital J. Jug. Small j. Jug. No change. K. Keys. Capital K. Small k. No change between the two of them. L. 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 The name of it is L. L. The sound of it is L. Leaf. Leaf. No change between capital L and small l. M. Name M. Sound M. Mouse. Mouse. No change. N. Name N. Nose. Sound N. Capital N. Nose. Small n. Nose. No change. O. But capital O it's called. So the name is O. The sound is O or O in this word, with an E just one letter beyond, makes that say its name O, not its sound. So this word is rope. Rope. P. Pin. Capital P, pin. Small p, pin. No change in the things that it does, the sound and the name. Qu. Q. Always Q-U. Queen. Queen. No change between capital Q-U and small q-u. R. Rabbit. Capital R, rabbit. Small r, rabbit. No change. S. The name is S, but the sound is S. Sun. On capital S, sun. On small s, sun. No change between the two. T. Tree. capital T, tree, small tree, tree, small t, tree. No change between a capital T and the sound it makes, and a small t and the sound it makes. U, name of the letter, U. If it's written in a word like this, then it makes it so this E makes this letter say its name, not its sound. Its name is U, so this word is tubes. Tubes. If it didn't have the E there, this would be tubs, saying its sound. But because the E is there, it says its name. U, tubes. Tubes. Capital V. The name of it is V. The sound it makes is V. Violin. Small v, violin. No change between the two. W. W. Wheel. Small w. Wheel. No change between a capital sound and a small sound. They both go w. Wheel. Wheel. The name of it is W. X. X. At the front there, it's xylophone. Capital X makes it xylophone. Small x, xylophone. Y. Yellow. Yellow. At the front there, Y. Capital Y. Yellow. Small y, yellow. Z. Capital Z, zebra. Small z, zebra. There's no change between the sound a capital Z makes and a small z makes. Now let's have a look at some sound combinations. We've got AW, which is or. AU, which is or. And OR, which is or. So we've got saw, saucer, and you could say saucer, or you could just say the word or. You could have a saucer the right way up, or the wrong way up. Saucer. This is a saw. S-A-W. S-A-W, saw. Saucer. Or. 3 ways to make the sound or. Saucer, or saucer, or saw. Now this one is ow, as in sound. Ow. You could have it written like that. That would still give you the sound, sound. But this is the correct way. So you'd say sound. There's a sound. Ow for sound. A and I together make A. So this is tail. E and I together make A. So this is 8. But you could have a W on there, making that weight. There is a tail. This is a zebra's tail. This is an 8. There's the zebra. So we have tail. A. tail. A, 8. Tail, 8. E, E-A, E-E, gives you feather. E-E, gives you feet. There's a feather, there are some feet. E for feather, E for feet. O, and this OW makes O too. So you've got boat and bow. Boat and bow. But you could say goat. When you went back, you could, instead of a B, you could have G-O-A-T for goat. Bow. Boat, goat, and bow. Th, thumb. Ch, chin. Sh, sheep. F, phone. Thumb, chin. Sheep, phone. Thumb, chin. Sheep, phone. Thumb, chin. Sheep, phone. This colour is red. This number is 1. 1 bike. 1 bike. This colour is green. This word is green. Green. 2 bikes. This number is 2. 2 bikes. 1, 2. This colour is blue. This word is blue. This number is 3. 3 bikes. 1, 2, 3. This colour is yellow. This is yellow behind 4. We have 4 bikes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Purple. 5. 5 bikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Orange. 6. 6 bikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bikes. Brown. 7. 7 bikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Light green. 8. 8 bikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Light blue. 9. 9 bikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Light yellow. 10. 10 bikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Light grey. 11. 11 bikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Dark green. 12. 12 bikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I teach you English. 2012. Sounds and names of letters, combination sounds and numbers, and some colours too. Thank you very much for listening. I'm Jack Barnett.